We can call this one When the Chickens Come Home to Roost. For the past 2 or 3 years, the apartment complex I live in has been letting all these unsavourable characters move in. And the chickens have come home. So just within the past day, got an email about recent car break-ins. That's been happening for over a year now, by the way. And they changed the code to get into the gym. Now, it doesn't take too much thinking to realize what that's about. Something bad happened in there. Somebody figured out the code and did something bad in there. Now, if I wanted to be polite or understandable, I would say it was just a homeless person that was looking for heat. But I'm pretty motherfucking sure that's not the case. So, this whole time that they've been pulling that shenanigan of letting all these hood rats live here, I was saying, hey, what the fuck are y'all doing? What the fuck are y'all doing? They did it anyway. And now the chickens have come home to roost. So now I have to be self-conscious about all my property, my car, and everything like that. I mean, I have to worry about my girlfriend's safety at night. You know, she can just walk out and not fear for something bad happening. And I don't like it, but in a weird way, I do kind of think, I fucking told you. There's many more stories I could tell on that, but I'm not going to. But I don't understand the logic behind it. I guess it's financial. I don't know. To let these terrible, terrible people move in and then crime starts happening? No shit. You didn't fucking think that one through? I had to pull teeth to move in here. And now they're just like any old hood rat or druggie or crackhead or whatever. Come right on in. Let's go. See how that works out for you. Because I know how it's going to work out for them if they come into my goddamn place. Or fuck with my goddamn property. I'm getting cuffed up again. It's going to be what it is. Oh God, that's how it's going to be.